what all the people say.
One of the primary complaints of FG owners is that the cup holder is one of the worst things that Ford has ever made in its entire history. That as soon as you put anything in that cup holder, it's going to end up all over your lap and all over the inside of your car. Which is where this comes in. This is a prototype that Computer Cartel sent over to me to test out and put through its paces for a complete replacement of the factory cup holder. Being a complete replacement, you would remove the cup holder that comes in the FG and replace it with this entirely, as opposed to having a small insert that you would just drop in that doesn't actually really fit properly with the car's aesthetic. This will completely replace the existing cup holder. It's nice and deep. It uses the full amount of space that you've got in that recess in the trim. And as you can see inside there, just see if I can get the light in there, it's actually two-stepped. So it's got the right size for fitting smaller cans down in that deeper recess. That way they don't fall over and move around with the bigger upper section of the cups here, which is the right size for fitting your larger cans, much bigger thermos sized cans, and fast food chain cups. I haven't had any problems in the last 2 weeks that I've been using it. I've been able to put Red Bull cans and cups and all sorts of things in here and go around corners as fast as I would without them, and I've had nothing fall over yet, nothing comes out. It's actually just the right size that if you do put a cup in there from a fast food chain, for example, it will grip it slightly, because obviously they're papery, they're a cardboard, so it will actually sit in there nice and tightly and won't just come sliding out as soon as you go around the corner. Obviously, as you can see, there's a little phone holder spot there. So if you're like me and you're a bit risky and you don't use a phone case, you can just drop that straight in and there you go. It sits in there nicely. I have tested it with the larger model iPhones with thin silicon cases on them. They work, but obviously if you're going to have an OtterBox or some other sort of large heavy-duty case, you won't be able to use that. You wouldn't be able to fit a case like that in this sort of construction at all. So from what I've been told, there will have to be a lot of interest in something like this for these to be worth it, because obviously being more than just a little insert to drop in, they will cost more to make, and they'll have to make a few thousand of these at least, probably, to offset the cost of manufacturing. So if you're interested in seeing something like this and you want to make it happen, make sure you leave a comment and share the video around, message Computer Cartel and let them know that you want to see this happen, and who knows, maybe in the future it will. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.